If g of x equals x times sine of x, evaluate the derivative when x equals pi. So we have two functions that are multiplied together, x times sine of x. So that means that we have to use the product rule for differentiation. And from the formula sheet, we have that the product rule, which differentiates a function u times a function v, is equal to u times dv dx plus v times du dx. So that means we're going to set up what the function u and v are equal to. So u is simply the first function that's being multiplied, which is x, and v is the second function that's being multiplied, so it is sine x. And du dx is the derivative of x with respect to x, which is simply 1. And dv dx, which is the derivative of sine of x, is simply cosine of x. Next, I'm just going to rewrite the product rule, so that is the derivative d dx of a function u multiplying v is equal to u times dv dx plus v times du dx. So for this question, we need to calculate g dashed of x first, so that's going to equal the function u times dv dx, which is x times cos of x, and then we add on to that v times du dx. And here we can see there's a multiplication sign that's appeared, which tells us what to multiply by what during our product rule. So v times du dx is simply sine of x multiplied by 1. And we can just do one quick line of simplifying by removing any unnecessary brackets. So this is simply equal to x times cos of x plus sine of x. However, that's not what the question asked for. It asks for the derivative evaluated when x is equal to pi. So therefore, g dashed of pi is equal to, and wherever there's an x, we replace it with pi. So this is going to be pi times cos of pi plus sine of pi. And using our knowledge of exact values and the unit circle, we know that cos of pi is equal to -1 and sine of pi is equal to 0. So therefore, the derivative evaluated at pi is simply equal to pi times -1, which gives pi, plus 0. So that is the answer to this question.